So guys, when you are like cutting, I think you should wear long sleeves like this one here. Also, I should put on some gloves, but I don't have. I'm doing it on a local way, and so guys, we are going to give the cow like, and it is over there, so I have to put on this side here, guys. Oh, I have to pass here. So like now, you know, the cow eats the whole like day. The whole day you're gonna feed it the whole day, but you have to be careful. You have to give it some water also when you have a cow like this one here. So guys, drop a comment what you think about this video here. Today I'm feeding the cow like and it has to feed like, you know, you don't know how much it feeds the whole day. You have to be there. You have to be maybe closer. You're not supposed to be far from it, because in 2 months coming we are going to have a calf and we are going to have milk. Today it doesn't have milk because it is pregnant. So in 2 months we are going to have milk. Like, we're not going to buy milk as here in the village. You buy milk at 30 shillings, if not 25. It depends on the size of the cup that they usually, like 1 liter is 1 liter is how much? 1 liter is 60 shillings. 62 liters is $1 and some cents there. So guys, this is the village. Actually, I'm talking live from the village. Those ones who are new here, my name is gracceykerrymission on my YouTube channel. Please go subscribe if you haven't, and hope you enjoy the video. So there guys, that is sukuma wiki. Usually sukuma wiki here at the village, that's what we usually have it. This is our staple food that we have ugari with, guys, and this is how it is. Yeah, this is so lovely. That's what we eat with the ugari always, guys. So I don't know what you can say. And here, the one that we were feeding the cows, these are the neighbor glass here. As usual, if you have neighbor glass at the village, it means that you should have a cow, or you can sell to someone who has cows, and you get some money. Yeah, and you get some money, guys. So we are going to our unity here. This is our local unit actually, where the cows sleep. That's a simple house. You can see it from the aerial view. That's like a ventilation there, guys. So this is where they sleep. It is very local, guys, and they usually eat from here. This is where we put food. If you want to feed it overnight, these are the place where you put the neighbor glass or the grass here, guys. It's very simple, like And this is the ventilation that I was telling you. If the cows are here all the day, maybe they're gonna bask the sun from up here. Yeah. So here, this is our fence here. Sometimes you can remove this one here and they're gonna be fire good, guys. So we are out of there, and usually had shown you that all this waste here we're gonna take. You don't need to buy any fertilizer. You don't need to buy any fertilizer if you have all this here, guys. If you have all this, and the advantage of keeping the cows is like you will not buy any fertilizer. Also, the one who was behind the camera, say hello. How are you? How are you? Unaitwaje? Usually I was telling you, if you have all this manure here, but you have to heap it somewhere, and then you'll continue mixing it with the dry leaves like dry napier grass, those ones that the cows are not eating, and then you shall use it to mix it also like a manure, so that maybe when you are planting like maize, you're gonna use that manure just to plant the maize, and you will have a very big yield, guys. So here we have pumpkin here, pumpkin leaves here, guys. So guys, this is we are cooking beans. And usually here at the village, when we cook beans, we usually use the pot. That's when it will get ready in a quicker way. And we are using firewood, guys, here. Wow. Hello guys, thank you always for being here. Actually, I am at our kitchen, our local kitchen here, and this is how it looks here. We usually use firewood, and a pot, guys. Firewood is the best, it's the easiest way of cooking. Also, it is it is affordable, guys, and the gas is expensive. That's why we are using the firewood, guys. Yeah. So drop a comment if you usually use a pot like this one here as ourselves here. This is what we use. So guys, this is where we hang our clothes. Usually at the village, when you have washed them, this is where we hang them. Also, these are firewood that we are using. Yes, we are using, and talking live from the village actually. And we cannot complain. God has really, we have woken up, and here we are, guys. It is a morning, and usually in the morning people do other things like going to the garden, but me, I'm outside there, guys. I'm not feeling well, that's why I am outside here, guys. We have to add some water, guys. The fire has gone off, That's why I've come to just to push in the firewood so that it cannot continue being on, guys. And I have to add some water here because I see like the water is finished. Wow, so that's enough. With this one here, we have to wait it for some like 1 hour from now because the beans was dry, guys. That's why we have to wait it for some time. So guys, I have to go and get some water because it didn't rain yesterday, and here we also depend on rain. If you have some tanks that you catch you have the catchment areas of the water, so we don't have water. That's why I am going to just to fetch some water, guys. So it is like when you miss water, you know that water is life in everything. You can't do without water, and that's why we are going this side. This is poo-poo from the we are going this side, guys, so that I go and get water, guys. When you are going that side, that's maybe you are going to town, like even this one goes to town, but it is at the interior part, guys. So we have to move, and this is the jerry can here that I'm going to get the water with, guys. Good. Problems in this. You know they're using the leaves just to catch the water to the cherry can, guys. Mbona mnatumia hivi? Why did you decide to use the leaves?
This man body can bus. So that we can make to use that some leaves of
So they are using the leaves, guys, to catch up the water. It's not like our place where we use the pipes, but here I think this is they have improvised some like IQs here. They have used the IQ to fill in the jerry can, guys. Wow. So what's up, guys? This is really the village life here. Actually, you can see how they are catching up the water to the jerry can because I think the MCA here is asleep. He doesn't want to do his job here. That's why they're using leaves here to catch up the water, like, guys. Even you can see how it is all over here. You should be careful. It is very slippery, guys. Yeah. Drop a comment whether at your village you usually use these leaves here to catch up the water, guys. Hey.